Have been strategically supported by International Food Policy Research Institute based at Washington. Our objective is to enhance farm income and farm productivity through dissemination of innovative technologies, practices and strengthening agricultural intermediaries. Today we have signed an MOU with eFresh India. To us, we consider them as one of the critical intermediary facilitating farmers with information and practices. Through this MOU, what we are planning is we are looking at three aspects. They have three models. One is Farmer Development Center, another one is Good Agricultural Practices Center, and Raitu Ratham concept, which is a mobile van which disseminates information. We would like to work with them to see how these models can be scaled up across the country. And as far as GAP Center is concerned, we are seriously looking at jointly establishing this center if things go well. The objective would be to demonstrate technologies and practices across agriculture like irrigation, crop practice, land preparation, anything, everything will be demonstrated on site and farmers will be brought and they'll be trained. The capacity strengthening exercises will happen so that farmers benefit a lot in their regular agricultural practices. As a whole, this is the scale-up model is what we are looking at with eFresh, and we are planning to organize Global Food Safety Conference in 2014, which will again look at global food safety certified products coming up from eFresh support. So this is one activity we are planning. Apart from that, we will be looking at various community development models like strengthening students, strengthening practitioners and strengthening experts in the field of agriculture. Upcoming project is a GAP Center, what we are doing it. Apart from this, we are also experimenting on use of mobile applications. Like we have our own knowledge portal which technically backstops agriculture intermediaries. It is called advanceagripractice.in, where we have already collated more than 20 knowledge models which are available free of cost as of now. The value addition to intermediaries will be, we will be packaging based on value chain requirement. So that is where the value will be captured, and we will work out revenue sharing arrangements. Objective would be to effectively disseminate knowledge. So in the same process, we are also looking at integrating mobile applications to our portal. So this is one pilot we would be doing in another 2 to 3 months. We are planning to work with Manage and strengthen about 600 agri-clinics and agri-business centers. And where out of the box we are thinking we will design a tablet and give each tablet to one of these agri-business centers and agri-clinics, where they will be technically backstopped by our knowledge portal, so that information is in place and we'll be able to validate. And as Manage ICAP, we would collectively see how it is impacting in terms of effective dissemination of knowledge.